ça y est, ça c'est bon et ça c'est ok. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve aujourd'hui pour une nouvelle vidéo sur la chaîne Raven Wrestling, toujours en compagnie de Monsieur Viper. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Alors, même tenue, même position, cette fois-ci il n'y a plus la lumière divine rouge que vous aviez parce qu'on enregistre ça le même jour que la preview d'Elimination Chamber. Aujourd'hui nous sommes là pour venir react la vidéo des ratings, des notes, ça des catcheurs du roster WWE
Exactement.
2K26 que,
En entier.
ouais, que du coup, on le rappelle, toi tu as déjà précommandé sur l'édition la plus haut de gamme,
Oui,
donc avec tous les DLC, etc. Et tout, bon, dans tous les cas, si jamais vous voulez,
exactement.
on en a un petit peu parlé déjà sur cette chaîne, je vous invite à aller voir du coup le podcast qui est dès à présent disponible, qui a été évidemment enregistré avec Monsieur Viper, on en parle. Donc aujourd'hui, on va réacter ça, la vidéo a déjà un petit peu commencé, donc nous voilà, le temps qu'on se prépare et tout, on avait aussi des choses à faire. On va venir réacter tout ça. Est-ce que Monsieur Viper, vous êtes prêt?
Oui, on en sait quelques notes déjà parce qu'on avait regardé un peu en...
Ouais,
On a survolé quelques notes, il y en
mais,
a su,
mais là
mais
au
il y a
moins.
d'autres notes qu'on ne sait pas du tout. Mais là, on aura vraiment toutes les notes de tous les catcheurs et DLC compris, bien
Bah,
sûr.
là en plus c'est bien parce que en plus quand on a commencé à regarder un petit peu le net, on s'est dit putain ce serait bien quand même de faire en fin de vidéo pour réacter un peu à tout ça. Et en plus toi tu me dis bah ça tombe bien ce soir, voilà, il y a la vidéo. Ouais.
Oui, oui, il y avait la vidéo, donc je me suis dit, ça peut être pas mal.
Tout à fait. Allez on est
Ça,
parti.
ça change un peu.
Hop, je cherche.
I better be 85 or up. Get it right. 95 plus. One question, what's Raymond?
On va pouvoir faire les débats, est-ce que surcoté, sous-coté, même s'il a déjà certaines.
On en a vu, il y a des surcotés.
Why are members of the Vision not rated 100?
Oula, interview avec le patron.
So much work goes into this, but the champ stuff.
Est-ce qu'il y a des sous-titres?
Ça, je sais pas du tout.
Est-ce qu'il y a moyen de... Oh c'est Kevin?
Bah oui, c'est Kevin Owens qui
Oh,
présente avec Biggie.
oh, trop plaisir d'avoir Kevin. Bon, il n'y a pas moyen de les
Non, il y en
traduire,
a
c'est
pas.
pas grave.
Ça fait plaisir de voir Kevin déjà avant,
De
je suis
fou,
content.
de fou.
C'est bien.
Monsieur Jota Sitor. Mhm. Ça fait plaisir.
Ouh,
87,
87.
ok, un bon 87.
On l'avait pas lui,
Mm.
on l'avait pas.
Ok,
Pas mal, mérité,
très bien.
mérité.
85, un bon 85 pour Bill.
C'est une légende, hein, donc il catche plus, c'est normal, 85 c'est bien pour lui.
Mm.
Une fois champion VVE.
Mm. Ah déjà,
Ah.
ok, 88 pour Finn Balor, 87. Vincent Drake 88, Vincent Drake 87, ce qui est 86, 87, 87. Par contre 87 pour Dodo, c'est peut-être pas abusé quand même. Peut-être pas abusé.
J'aurais mis 85 à Dodo.
Ouais, bon, 84, 80, allez 85 éventuellement.
Parce qu'il est champion depuis un moment, donc 85
Ouais,
voilà.
ouais, ouais, 85, mais pas
Finn
plus.
Balor,
Hein.
ok. Adaware, 86 pour Sheamus, oui, 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 oui.
Après, ce qui serait intéressant de voir, c'est les notes.
Ah, alors, CM Punk, oui. Seth Rollins, oui.
94, 94, c'est
Joe...
pour CM Punk, Brock Lesnar, super. 90 pour Breaker, un bel update pour Breaker.
Mais Jozo, trop,
Oh,
trop. Il
Juxo, non,
méritait,
c'est
allez,
trop.
86, 86. Parce que déjà,
Wow.
il sait pas mettre une prise, donc non, 86. Logan Paul, c'est Sharpie aussi. Logan Paul, meilleur, autant mieux que Braun Breaker, non, je dirais pas. C'est très bien noté pour Logan Paul. Eh oui, Kevin Owens, il le dit. L'année dernière, Lesnar, il a eu qu'un match. Hein.
Mm. Alors voyons,
Pourquoi 94?
j'essaie de voir. 94 il avait CM Punk.
Ouais.
CM Punk comes in at a 94, obviously main evented WrestleMania. You know what happened in SummerSlam, and then this past fall reclaims the World Heavyweight Championship.
Yeah, I mean, how could you not be towards the top or at the top after a year like
CM Punk avait 92 sur
again, going off the
Il
last
prend 2 de
sur le 25, donc il prend un plus 2. Ok.
Ouais, il prend plus de. Ok.
Seth
Mm.
Rollins, I know what you're saying. They shouldn't be equal because it'd be, you know, more interesting.
Cody avait
to
96 par contre.
know which one broke the ice there.
À voir.
Seth belongs there as well.
Owens il avait combien? 86?
Reactions to the men's
Ouais.
superstar ratings on Raw.
Do you know what your rating is yet?
No clue. 93 were 2 up last year. Took
Drew, 93, Drew.
the champion of your entire world.
Do you want to take a guess?
I want to say I'm like 75.
Spot on! You're 75!
88. Well, keep it 100.
88, ok.
C'est 33, ça, oui.
Y'all coulda, just a little bit more.
Say it again. 83.
You're only gonna raise me 2, and you're
Il est
gonna
pas content.
disappointed, gang. What a joke.
But thank you for making it higher than last year.
Il avait quoi? Il avait 80 Ethan Page, je crois.
Almost quit. I'm
Il
very
me semble.
Quand l'année dernière, je crois
Ouais.
qu'il était en DLC, je crois.
What I think it should be 87 to 88.
Obafemi deserves to be 105. I'm pushing for this very seriously. 2K, are you listening?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Your rating
It better not start with a 7.
is an 82.
82 is not as good as I wanted. It's a B minus. Next year, get it right. 95 plus, McIntyre on the cover. Or else.
L'année prochaine 95 ou plus.
Takes it with. I mean, I don't know that anybody cares more when it comes to the gameplay.
He is absolutely invested.
So that takes
Ethan
care
Page,
of
ouais,
the
il avait
top
80 sur le 2K25.
Now we
Ouais,
get
c'est un
Il a un
DLC.
peu, il a un peu augmenté.
women's reveal.
Et après, plus
Finn
trois,
Balor
avec,
avait 87.
For the Raw
Ah.
women's roster in the
91, Asuka, ouais, c'est
roster
ok.
continues to
87 avec
impress.
Solis, 86.
Ouais.
Dira, ouais, Kairi Sane.
Oui, 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 oui. Mais bien payé pour Asuka.
Oh, par contre, Lyra Valkyria en dessous de Roxanne Perez, même si c'est d'un point.
Lyra Valkyria était champion intercontinental quand même.
Ouais, je l'aurais mis au-dessus de Roxanne Perez quand même.
Ouais, 84 Roxanne et 85 Valkyria.
Ouais, franchement, il aurait inversé les notes. Hein.
Ouais. Ah, il le dit, à la finale des fantastiques.
Ouais, franchement.
Bah, c'est bien payé. Hein.
Sur les plus au-dessus, ça va être les Becky, les Rhea et tout ça.
Ah, voilà.
92 Liv Morgan. N'importe quoi. Yoskai, Becky, Rhea 96.
Elle est intouchable.
Par contre, Vaker, elle a fait un méga truc par contre.
Bah, elle est en DLC, je crois, l'année dernière.
Stéphanie Vaker, elle avait 83. Elle a pris plus 9 Vaker. Ah ouais.
Mérité, mérité.
Naomi aussi, elle a bien évolué. Par contre, Liv Morgan 92.
C'est cher payé, hein.
Elle est pas mauvaise, mais
Mais elle était blessée tout le long de l'année. Elle était blessée.
88, 89 pour moi.
She should be tied. That is out of my fear of Rhea. But what I really want to say is Io should
Encore
be-
Rhea, ils l'ont vraiment.
Rhea, but Rhea's beaten
C'est
Io
vraiment
many
un truc
times
de
in the
fou.
past. Probably responsible for a lot of this
Ra est la meilleure,
injury, so-
actuellement, est la meilleure note de Touquet pour le moment. Parce que c'est un peu qu'à 94, donc Rhea est la meilleure.
Rhea est la
note
plus
du
shit.
jeu. Donc elle est plus cheatée que des mecs, donc c'est ça qui est grave.
Voyons. Puis R. Ripley avait 96 sur 2K25.
The admiration they have for each other and how their styles and the way they go about things meshes so perfectly. I think it's like you know, the mutual admiration society between those two.
No doubt. She'd agree if you
Quand
said
la seule Wisson, il est très stylé.
just 'cause I said it. She'd
Mais
be
c'est le dernier étage de la.
Becky Lynch coming in tonight.
du. de
Great
VVE.
year. I think she is someone you talk about the man making the title. The man has truly made the women's intercontinental championship.
J'aime bien Becky, hein, mais 94, elle a pas fait une année folle. Hein.
J'aurais mis 89.
Le match en vrai, franchement, cette année, pour moi, à part son truc contre l'Ira qui était pas trop mal.
Ouais.
Après, je l'aurais pas défoncé non plus, mais bon.
On a perdu contre Maxime Dupuis quand même.
Ouais, mais...
Wow, it's actually gone up a lot since NXT. Oh my gosh, I'm in the 90s. That's amazing.
An 86? That's all I get? That's all you want to give Big Sexy is an 86. Well, I see how it is.
She's stunning, she's beautiful, she's gorgeous, she's 85. It's perfect.
Par contre, 85 chez Cyrine, peut-être pas se foutre de la gueule du monde. Oh, Yoskai, oui.
I am a 96. I mean, damn straight. I'm a 96.
You gonna tell me my 2K score is
Ah.
81? That's
Oh,
not
81.
true, and I definitely deserve to be more than 81 because, you know, I'm the powerhouse.
Okay.
Hello.
One question, what's Raymond? I'm just gonna have to do what I really want, which is tear this women's division apart. Then we'll see who's an 86. Then we'll see who's an 86.
Roman is 95.
C'est la plus tutée. C'est bon. C'est la plus tutée. Voilà, on a officiellement.
C'est la plus cheatée. RIP.
Même Roman Reigns, il a que 95, il est en dessous. Et Cody Rhodes a moins que Roman.
Et Becky avait 92 l'année dernière.
Wanted to see the look on my face when I'm asked a question like this. When you take Logan Paul, when you take Braun Breaker, when you take Bronson Reed, when you take Austin Theory, and you deprive them of their rightful number.
Ouais, Cody avait 96. Ouais, voyons.
Let's jump right into SmackDown. We will start with our female superstars. KO, this is the group that rounds
Oh,
out
Julia.
that dandy
Natalia, mais elle prend des points chaque année. Je crois que l'année dernière, elle avait 84 ou 85, Natalia.
Oh, Michine, elle est là.
Ouais, puis là.
94, Bianca Belair, Charlotte Flair 93. Comment tu peux mettre 94 à quelqu'un qui était pas là? Alors oui, c'est blessure, je peux comprendre. Mais... Tiffy, Jet Cargill 88, on a vraiment rien à péter. J'imagine que t'as des personnes qui sont même pas championnes qui sont au-dessus d'elle quoi.
Ouais, Bailey.
Bon, après moi Bailey tous les jours au-dessus de Jet Cargill, hein, tous les jours. Hein.
Largement.
And look, WrestleMania, her, Rhea, Io, incredible match.
Classic.
One of the best ever. But still, I don't think Bianca should be number
But maybe her first 4 months was strong enough to argue that she deserves to still be at the top.
I don't know about that because consistently putting on matches of quality every week, like Charlotte, like the other girl, you know, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense.
And then you consider the back end of Jade Cargill and the success she had down the stretch of 2025.
Very dominant, holding a world title right now. You could argue that Jade should be higher as well.
I agree.
What do you say we jump right into the men's ratings?
I say let's do it.
The men's superstars.
Allez les messieurs.
2K26 on SmackDown.
89, Sami, G-Style 88. Non mais Jimmy est même note que Shinsuke Nakamura.
Ouais.
Non mais Jimmy jamais il a la même note que Nakamura.
Et j'essaie que j'aurais mis 90, tu vois.
Ah, moi aussi. Sami j'aurais mis 88. Non mais Nakamura, Jimmy Uso la même note, mais jamais de la vie.
Mais Nick Aldis, qui a jamais eu un peu de temps de jeu, il a 85, vous m'en direz rien.
Cody il est en dessous de Rhea. Cody 95, Reigns 95, 93 pour Drew McIntyre. Gunther il a augmenté, il était à 90 je crois. Orton 92 et les Knight 89. Rhea il a plus cheaté du jeu.
Actuellement, on n'a pas vu les légendes, hein. Tu sais, il y a des légendes qui sont à 96, mais pour le moment, Cody et Roman sont les moins
Même un The Rock et tout, il sera à 95 je pense. 94, 95.
Putain.
Rhea, c'est une machine.
L'année prochaine, t'es sur la 2. Tellement, hein.
Bah, elle a été sur la jaquette d'édition de luxe de 2K24, je crois.
Ouais, elle est bien Belair.
Do you think the rating of LA
with the
Knight?
year he had, yeah.
Okay. The year he had. Listen, Randy Orton's there at a 92. Do you feel Knight should have been bumped up to at least a 90 or a 91 when you consider Randy Orton at a 92, Gunther at a 93? I mean, Gunther obviously had headline-making moments, including what we saw against Cena in Washington, D.C.
Yeah, 93 is definitely too low for Gunther. I agree.
Yeah, and he's tied with Drew, who, yeah, okay, Drew's the champion now, but most of 2025, I don't think Drew had that great of a year. So, it, you know.
T'as bien taclé Drew, j'aime bien.
Oui, j'ai dit le tacle, ça c'est bien.
The ratings for 2K26. You get opinions like this, and still to come on the reveal show, the NXT ratings plus the legends, the snubs, the greatest of all time rating. That's all ahead as we continue on with the WWE 2K ratings reveal special. But next, it will be the game. The Chief Content Officer, Triple H, joins us on the set as the ratings reveal show moves on. Don't go anywhere.
Reste avec nous, on part à la pub. Allez, mettons-nous la musique de Netflix là. Je me prépare.
C'est ce soir en plus.
Je me prépare.
Motorhead, allez on.
Content Officer now joins in here on the WWE 2K26 ratings reveal. It never gets old, does it, that feeling, right? I mean, you're a cover guy for a video game. How cool is that, man?
No, yeah, I mean, I think that's one of the things for anybody in their careers, right? Those first times you get an action figure, first times you get in a video game, or you see yourself in the game, especially now as the technology improves.
Mec il dit, je suis patron, je me mets dans le jeu, point. Mais voilà, c'est moi qui décide, je décide d'être dans la jaquette. Voilà, je veux être une édition du jeu. Mais bon, pourquoi pas. Mais bon, que 91, il aurait pu se cheater tout seul, j'ai envie de dire. Mais non.
Je mets 99.
99, tout à fond. Non, c'est Rhea. Rhea sera la number one.
Et mon nouveau nom, c'est Nouvelle Ère.
La nouvelle ère, ah oui. Hunter New Era.
There's always so much buzz and anticipation around this time for the video game. Can you talk about how much the partnership with WWE and 2K has meant over these years?
It's incredible. I think they drive each other. So the new characters, it's something that we put thought into even as we're coming up with entrances or character designs and things. Is how does that
prononce New Era s'il te plaît. New Era. N-E-W-E-R-A.
It's amazing to me how much stock talent put into what their rating is in this game. Like when the ratings come out, I just hear either thrilled or complaining. But can you believe they gave me that rating? Like,
you know, I think there are some rising superstars who a lot of the gamers want to use
81?
here.
Oh, tu me trompes un petit peu plus. Ouais, bon. Oh non, ça c'est scandaleux. Ça, 78 Givon, ça c'est scandaleux. Bon, les deux, je mets 82, 84. Hein. C'est scandaleux ça.
It's about getting to that coveted spot at WrestleMania, but there's a lot of fresh in it and a lot of new in it, right? Some of the people that
non, Javon Evans, il lui faut plus.
Things out and qualified, Javon, Trick. It feels fresh, it feels new on the women's side. Kiana James, Raquel being in there, it feels fresh, it feels new, but yet you still have your stalwarts in there. You have Cody Rhodes in there. You have Randy Orton in there. You have some of those bigger stars. So there's some fun stuff that's happening this year, and I think especially for younger fans that are very into what we do, seeing those talent come up through NXT and being able to gravitate towards them in something bigger, and then also being able to play them in the game in a meaningful way, I think is important.
Congratulations on the cover. Wouldn't be a rating show without Triple H. King of Kings cover on 2K26. And we remind
Which
you
is
that
still just, let me just break into that, because I know you asked it in the beginning, but it's still just a cool, that's a cool, when they showed me that cover and they showed it to me, like I didn't know about it, I didn't know we were specifically doing it until they showed me the design for it, and I was like, it's still a really cool moment where you...
Comme s'ils doivent sortir les 400 ratings de toutes les superstars jouables, on va finir à 1h du matin, mon cher.
On ESPN, it is Elimination
Non, ça va
Chamber.
trop
It
vite.
starts at 7 p.m. Eastern. Those last final golden tickets to make it to WrestleMania. Let's move ahead with an interesting list. Those
Allez, Solo Sikoa, ok, 85, Penta 84. Xavier Woods, Kofi Kingston, meilleur note que Xavier Woods, ok. Rey Mysterio 84, ouais.
Ouais.
Penta, il avait quoi? Il avait un équivalent, je crois, non? Oh, il me semble qu'il avait un 84 aussi. N'hésitez pas, également on attend vos réactions dans l'espace commentaire.
So 83, 82, I know they're not pleased. I'd put them even lower. In the 50s.
In the 50s?
That's right.
Mhm.
Which, in all fairness, I also once turned my back on.
You did, but that was like 8 years ago.
Yes, but that year I should have been way low.
You should have been.
Yes.
Par contre ça, ce sera les photos qu'ils auront quand tu les sélectionneras.
I even apologized to Kofi once for turning my back
C'est pas la
on.
même que Penta il avait aussi,
Then he did it to you. I
Ça, je sais pas.
rescind my apology.
il me semble.
Great word. Rescind.
The female
Ça que je vois, que je regarde.
The female superstars just outside.
Oula, oula, là on commence à descendre dans le...
Lena and Maxine, they claim titles.
Là on commence à... Chute à l'arrière du peloton.
Chute à la...
Ah, chute de Sylvain Chavanel.
C'est un près de dans les 60 presque. 71.
Ouais.
Also, you know, it has to count for something.
À 35 points d'écart entre Candice et Rhea.
Far too low. Yeah,
That's
I mean,
exaggerate for her to come in.
Comment je fais rien contre Candice?
Dans le cas dit, tu la pousses.
Now, this is interesting because you always consider where things are headed and the development, and we get a look.
J'aime bien quand on montre vraiment, tu sais, les plus balèzes et paf. la montagne en triangle. Ouais, NXT. NXT Homos. Hein? Il est pas NXT Homos.
Oui, non, parce qu'il est revenu à NXT à un moment.
Ah. Hank Walker, Tank Ledger, je sais pas qui c'est. Tony D'Angelo.
Hank Tucker, c'est une ancienne équipe de champion par équipe de
D'accord.
NXT.
G1, mais il y a deux G1. C'est juste qu'ils savent pas.
Ah.
Obafemi 85. Ah, mais il y a deux Trick Williams du coup, je comprends pas.
Non, mais vu qu'ils font la transition, ils sont de la SmackDown et les trucs.
Qui Science, ok.
You know, it seems a bit low for how dominating and obviously the potential he's already showing. 85 seems a bit low.
I think so. I think there's a perception that, oh, NXT not quite as good. I'm sure these ratings were set before his recent entrance into the main roster. But you know, I'm a massive Oba feminist. I do the Oba walk at home. This guy is going to be a WrestleMania main eventer for year and year and year to come.
And then KO, when it comes to Trick, I mean, he's got everything.
Who's that
he's got
Trick?
the size, the athleticism.
Yeah.
He knows how to play his role.
Yeah, well deserved, I think, 81. But if anything, it kind of highlights to me where we
Ah, remonte Phoenix surtout.
Evans being so low. I don't think
Oui, on a pas vu Phoenix encore.
Ils font lui chier dessus.
Non, allez, au moins dans les 80, ça serait bien.
Penta avait 84, hein, c'est ça.
Allez, 80.
S'ils lui mettent moins de 80, c'est une... Il y avait les notes dans le jeu AEW. Ouais, droit d'auteur.
Putain, il est là.
Ah,
Il est là,
super. Putain.
Il est là en plus, il est là.
Ah putain. Ah la bonne blague. Hunter il est déjà parti? Ok.
Oui.
Putain.
Ouais,
Ah, on a fait la blague, on a dit Joe Hendry, c'est bon.
Hugely excited. You talked about it earlier on the show about the video game getting people into wrestling. That's exactly how I became a fan of wrestling. So now to be a part of the video game, it's a dream come true.
Joe, you mentioned something about John Cena and a similar parallel when John Cena was first in the video game?
Well, here's the thing. My rating is 81, right?
Yes.
And look, I'd say that's a pretty good start, considering that John Cena's first rating was 75. And that's what I love about the 2K games is you can see the development of the superstars.
Sina, ils l'ont dit combien il avait?
So the
Pas
fans
encore.
are going to get to experience the wrestlers as they go through.
Non, Sina, ils l'ont pas dit encore.
Non, ils l'ont pas dit.
S'il faut, il y aura encore moins que. À part Super. Il y aura peut-être que Super Sina, du coup, qui sera cheaté.
96.
Everybody has a different why and a different how they got started and got hooked. This is a big part of your origin story.
Absolutely. I remember being a teenager, discovering the video games, and that's what led me to start watching WWE. So now to see my entrance with a song that I wrote in this video game, and the fans now have the chance to experience what I experienced as a youngster, it's very surreal. It hasn't fully sunk in yet.
Can we put you in the analyst role for a moment here? Let's get to our NXT female superstars. It is time to reveal the ratings for the NXT female superstars. The top 10.
Fallon Henley, Lola Vice, Sol Ruka.
Sol Ruka, 77.
Well, I mean, the first thing I'll say is that NXT a lot of
Putain, par contre, la division féminine NXT, ils ont un peu cacaboudin, quand même.
I'm surprised Sol Ruka.
Damn.
Same thing.
That's what stands
C'est
out.
bon, hein?
KO, Sol Ruka, 77?
Yeah, her, but also Lola Vice at 78 seems low as well, I think.
All right,
let's
let's
see the top.
Lola Vice, Sol Ruka.
Jordan Grace que 81. C'est tellement faible. Blake Monroe 78, Kelly Jordan. 81 Jordan Grace.
Alors, et Jessie Jen, 80, c'est la championne actuelle, hein?
Ah bon? Ça se voit pas. Ça se voit pas du tout. For sure. Il a dit for sure. For sure. Ah, le faucheur, Overwatch. C'est ça. Putain, les notes de la division NXT, la vache.
Pour les faire monter. Et on n'a pas vu Nathan Fraser et Axiom encore, hein?
Ouais, super, remontrez-nous ça. Henry, wouhou.
Hey, what's it mean to have that strap over your shoulder?
It feels pretty good. It feels pretty good. I'll tell you, I might be 81 in the game, but in here, I'm 95. You know, I feel awesome. I got the championship. This is, it means everything to me.
Not even 100?
Hey, well, you know what? Hey, is that what it is on the Kevin
He's
system?
humble.
Am I 100 on the Kevin system? You don't need to answer. You don't need to answer. But, you know, legends in the business have held these championships, so it's an honor to be here.
That's why it should make you feel like 100.
All right.
I think you're undercutting yourself.
You
there.
heard it. The Kevin rating system. I'm 100.
Well, it's not the official Kevin rating.
Joe
You should
Hendry.
feel like 100.
99, 100. All right.
Glad we said your name. Glad to have you here on the 2K26 Ratings Reveal Show. Congratulations on your rating this year. Still to come here as we continue on with WWE 2K26 Ratings Reveal.
Allez, les légendes.
We will talk about legends.
Ah, les légendes.
In the game. All
Les
the
légendes.
celebrities as well. The new
Ah, oula,
additions to
les légendes.
2K26 and the GOAT revealed, the greatest of all time rating. That's ahead.
Oh, Sina quand même. Voyons Sina. On part à la pub.
We are here at WWE HQ for 2K26.
Megan Morant.
Ah, Ali! Il y a Ali derrière! Il y avait Ali! Le Cash Club!
Content creators
Je l'ai vu!
taking their first look at 2K26, and so much excitement is in the air. Let's go check it out.
It has been go, 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 non-stop all morning. It is chaotic.
Oh my god!
But alas, that is our life.
Have you gotten a chance to play the game yet?
Yes, I have. I use Ethan Page.
Oh.
Turns out he doesn't suck. You know, I won.
Say it again? What a joke.
Played the game. I had fun with it. It's great. There we go.
what's your biggest takeaway? Any surprises?
Yeah, I like all the additions and the new updates to the game. I'm very thrilled with what I'm seeing.
Un jour, il sera.
Oh no! Oh, you did it to me! Yes! Yes! You did it to me! We're gonna lose! Get out of here! Yeah! You know why?
Sors d'où lui?
Space all over the place makes me sick. I don't even think he's gonna stop that.
What's your favorite video game?
WWE 26, the greatest video game of all time.
I like the way that sounds. They should put you on the marketing team.
They should.
And one of the things people are really excited about with WWE.
Oh, c'est vrai que j'ai l'impression qu'il y avait que des Xbox.
C'est que des Xbox.
D'accord.
Oui, il n'y a pas une PlayStation.
Quand tu verras Xbox américain, c'est un peu normal.
Bah oui. Donc c'est-à-dire que si un jour il y a un jeu NJPW, c'est Sony.
Exclu PlayStation. Il y aura Jelly Roll, ok. Ouais.
Bientôt Steve Lukather et...
Yeah, and you know that rating, it might seem pretty high for somebody who had never wrestled before, and obviously he's not.
Comme ça a l'air super long et chiant. Et ça quoi, tu vois.
On the 2K26 ratings reveal is when we put up the Raw ratings, the very top of the men's roster. Yes, you had Punk and you had Rollins and you had Brock Lesnar at a 94, but tied for number 5 with a 90 was Logan Paul. And let's bring in the Maverick right away to get your reaction. Logan Paul, a 90 in 2K26. What do you think, my man?
I think it's a little low, Joe. I think it's a little low, Joe.
A 90? I mean, you're right there in that top tier, Logan.
Yeah, I know. That's why it should be higher.
KO, what did you make of it when Logan Paul came in, number 5 at a 90?
Well, he's a fantastic
I'll
never be able to take that away from him. But him saying that it's too low, when you take into account that Finn Balor and Sami Zayn are 1 and 2 points lower than you, and the fact that you wouldn't be able to lace up their boots on your best day, I think 90's pretty great for you, buddy. You're probably, if I'm going off Sami and Finn's rating, you're probably at a low 80 at best. But I think if I were you, I would be overjoyed and make sure to thank the 2K crew for
Yo,
that
that's
kindness.
crazy. That's crazy. Kevin, what's your rating? Oh, that's right, it's 0 because you're not even wrestling.
Believe it or not,
Oh, le
I
bâtard.
agree with you. It's 87, but I had neck surgery. I probably shouldn't even be in the game. So
No,
I know you're
should
trying to
not.
insult
No,
me,
you
but I
should
actually
not.
agree with you.
No, it's just crazy. It's just crazy getting feedback from someone who's unemployed.
I'm
That's
very much
crazy.
employed. Trust me. That's odd. You don't know. See,
Sitting
this is
in
the
a
thing.
couch-
You don't know
sitting
how
in a couch
you don't
in a
know how
dumbass
wrestling
demon shirt
works.
doesn't make you
You don't know how
Okay.
wrestling works because this is just your next gig. You did Vine, you did
Bro,
YouTube,
why-
you did
Why
podcast,
am I
now
why am I
boxing,
why is
then
a
wrestling. Then you're
full-timer
just gonna
talking
move
to
on to the
someone
next
who's
thing.
not even wrestling.
What?
You're talking to someone who's actually showing up every Monday, not sitting in a couch next to someone else who used to wrestle. Why am
Il y
I
a,
talking to
comme je dis, il y a peut-être le physique, il est pas mauvais in ring, mais pour moi ça reste un streamer quoi, ça reste un youtubeur.
Bro, 90's low. Y'all got me fired up. 90's low.
Okay, if 90's low, what do you think you should be at?
At least 95.
You think you should be higher than CM Punk, Seth Rollins, and Brock Lesnar?
Yo, we're comparing apples to a Greek god. Brock Lesnar, maybe there's an exception there, and I actually think he should be higher. But comparing me to CM Punk is like a peon to a gladiator. What are we saying here?
Greek? Is he Greek?
Are you Greek? Kevin wants to know if you're Greek.
I'm Welsh, a little
Well,
bit.
you just called yourself a Greek god, you moron. You're not even what?
Kevin, I'm comparing myself to
And
a Greek
apples
god,
is a
bro. What are you
apples
wearing?
are a
What are
fantastic
you
fruit.
wearing, bro?
I have
What
to keep
is
up with
that?
these guys,
Is it
okay?
a suit or a t-shirt or a t-shirt that looks like a suit?
It's both.
What are you wearing?
You can't judge people.
C'est
with
fun,
their
c'est rigolo.
Triple H told me to grow it out because it creates movement. You wouldn't know about movement because you're sitting in a chair not doing wrestling.
Well, the thing is, I don't need to grow my hair out to have movement to look like I'm good in the ring because I'm great in the ring. You need all the illusions we can get for you.
You were great in the ring, but then you got your neck surgery. Whatever that even means. I think
You
you're
don't know what
faking
surgery
it.
is? A simple medical concept?
I think you're faking it. I see you there turning your neck. Look at them doing this.
Absolutely. I was actually never unable to turn my neck. I had issues feeling. I had no feelings in my legs.
Bro,
and
I
even then, I
understand.
was still better than you.
Bro, I beat you twice. What are you talking about?
One was a disqualification.
You got
I beat me.
disqualified.
We'll argue on the semantics later.
Il va revenir, il va l'éclater.
I'm sorry?
For using brass knuckles and getting caught, and then
The
I
one
beat
time
you
a referee
and
makes
Randy
the one time a referee sees something, it worked to your advantage. Again, you should just be thankful.
I'm so grateful, but not for my 90 rating.
That is nonsense.
Logan, let me ask you this about the 90 rating. We know what you
Ouais, faut avancer là, c'est long.
be a 95 ahead of CM Punk. But did you expect the committee at 2K26 to hand you a 90? What number did you expect they would have revealed today?
At least 91, because I'll tell you what, I was 90 in the past. So what happened where all I've done is win.
Ça reste surcoté pour moi.
And I'm still at 90. What do we talk
Pas mauvais, mais comme je dis, pour moi ça reste un youtubeur, il a 88 maximum.
I'm going to tell you who it was that's who's 1 point ahead of you. It's Jey
Pour moi c'est ça reste
I'm walking.
It's the best thing he's
He
done.
hung up hearing Jey Uso's ahead of him. That's it.
I've always been very fond of Jey Uso, even more so now.
That is Logan Paul, and he received a 90. What do you say we just move ahead? 2K26.
86, Vikingo, Flamer 85, Psycho Clown 84, Mystery Guan 81. Mon dieu, Superstar triple A, je m'y fais toujours pas.
Non plus. C'est comme TNA ou triple A, c'est...
Bon après je comprends toujours pas l'intérêt du rachat pour l'instant, mais enfin bon. Parce que ça fait combien de temps que ça a été fait le rachat? Ça fait bientôt 1 an, non? Ah, Taker 96 0,95 CM Punk 2013 95 95 95. Pourquoi ils ont pris la même image pour The Rock 24 et The Rock normal?
Mais l'Undertaker c'est numéro 4, donc ça veut dire qu'il y a au-dessus de l'Undertaker.
But I'm intrigued to see the top 3 because if Taker's 96, we got some stiff competition ahead.
All right,
Pour le moment, rien est meilleur que l'Undertaker, autant mieux que l'Undertaker. Voilà.
97 Stone Cold. Ah ouais. Ce Rock 2001, il est meilleur que...
Ah bah voilà, officiellement c'est Stone Cold, Roman et John Cena qui sont les meilleurs aussi.
97.
Ok, ok.
Meilleur que Rhea d'un point. C'est pas non plus...
Ouais, d'un point, oui.
I'm only put 99, and I'm only putting him at less than 100 because he beat me at WrestleMania. That's the only reason. If he hadn't beaten me at WrestleMania, he'd be right there at 100.
So those are the top 10.
Il m'aurait pas battu à Mania.
Now, Biggie, let's shift our attention to the female superstar all-time legend.
Shayna 88, Nikki Bella et Jelly 88.
Also, in the conversation for greatest women's wrestler of
Ah
all
bon.
time, a tick lower than AJ.
Ah bon.
Back my cards to do this.
To throw them
Because of this specific thing, yes.
KO, this is our first look at it.
80... Et Jelly 2015, 92, Bull Nakano, Trish Stratus. 92 et Jelly 2015, vraiment?
Look, it's awesome.
Et c'est vraiment la meilleure catcheuse. Non.
AJ Lee in first of all 2015, she had
Après catégorie légende.
But also just in general above
Mais
des légendes.
Mais AJ Lee 2015. On est à l'époque des divas encore en 2015. 92. Oh, à l'époque des divas, il n'y a pas grand monde qui mérite des grosses notes. Hein.
Si.
Ouais, ouais, à la limite. Quel gosse.
It is the cover guy himself. The World Heavyweight Champion, CM Punk, one-on-one, and the individual ratings.
Ah, Mark Henry.
The top speed, strength, power,
ah non,
the
non,
greatest
non.
of all time
Ok.
rating.
Final boss. Eh, c'est long, hein, parce qu'on est bientôt à 40 minutes. Hein.
Ah, Seth Rollins, actuellement blessé.
We are here in Stamford, Connecticut at WWE headquarters shooting the launch commercial for the new WWE 2K26.
3, 2, 1, action!
My daughter's now into the video games, so to be able to have a game to show her that I'm on is pretty special.
Guys, let's roll. Stay on stage.
I was just talking to someone just.
Mais son ami, il se battait pas pour la vraie vie.
And the only other person to be in this many in a row is Paul Heyman.
You're looking at the future of this show.
Heyman, I will beat you.
I do the easy thing. I look pretty. They take a picture of me and they slap me on the cover. It's everybody else's internal hard work that, you know, drives the whole thing.
Oh, Randy!
So I'm happy to shoot a commercial, get the video game out there and advertise for it.
C'est vrai que c'est un boulot de fou quand même. C'est vraiment un boulot de fou. Il y a... Pourquoi il se déclenche? J'ai pas dit le mot rien que ça. C'est trop bizarre ce truc.
Like this, getting the cover of 2K26. Megan Morant caught up with him.
I am joined by the man on the cover of 2K26, the World Heavyweight Champion, CM Punk. First of all, how you doing?
I'm great. I'm great. How are you?
I'm wonderful. I mean, this day is so exciting here at Creator Fest, and it's all about the 2K26 game.
C'est vrai que c'est vraiment un truc stylé quand même à suivre.
Oh gosh.
Hein?
Il y a vraiment un truc stylé à être là-bas quand même.
Ouais.
Quand vraiment t'es fan et tout, même nous on chie sur les lieux à l'heure actuelle. Mais tu sais, en vrai d'être là-bas, ça va être vraiment un truc de fou.
Par contre, j'aurais pris une photo devant André quand même. Devant la grande peinture d'André.
La légende. Puis la France. On est français.
Et peut-être plus tard dans l'année, j'espère un DLC.
Et Lolo Fleur.
Dans le Ringside Pass, des Lolo Fleur. Ça, j'aimerais bien.
Mais là, il n'y a pas l'air d'avoir de DLC vu que c'est le Ringside Pass en fait.
Oui, c'est pour ça, dans le Ringside Pass, il faut qu'il y ait Lolo Fleur dans un des.
I mean, for new fans, it's a lot. I think there's a whole lot of stuff to digest.
Ça peut être pas mal, ça peut être pas mal.
Ouais.
It's a real treat because you're gonna get versions of me that maybe didn't even
Effectivement.
exist in WWE in the video game, and I think that's super cool. It's crazy, you know, like this run that I'm on is pretty magical. Like I feel like my grip strength is really good because I'm trying to hold on to this as long as I can, you know, because with it comes all these fun things like being on the cover of a video game, beyond my wildest dreams. Like
Mais il avait déjà été sur une cover d'un jeu.
Le 13, je crois.
Oui, oui. Mais c'était pas Touquet encore, je crois. Parce que c'était Touquet.
Le dernier WWE.
Ouais.
C'était le dernier.
C'est Touquet à partir du 14, c'est arrivé, hein, il me semble.
Ouais, où
Avec
il y
The Rock.
avait. Non, non.
Bah, si.
Il y avait une double couverture.
Oui, mais
Il y avait The Rock.
Oui, voilà.
Oui, et si tu sortais la truc et tu la mettais à l'envers, c'était Daniel Bryan.
Ça fonctionne pas.
Ça, je me rappelle, parce que je mettais toujours Daniel Bryan, j'avais horreur de The Rock.
Après, je m'en souviens plus trop parce que c'est vrai que le 14 et le 15, c'est les deux que j'ai pas fait parce que c'est à l'époque où je suivais beaucoup moins.
15, je sais plus. Mais on avait repris sur le 16, vu que ça fait 10 ans.
Les 10 ans.
Oui. Et il faudrait refaire une émission sur le 26 pour les 10 ans.
On fera une émission sur les 10 ans. On fera une émission.
To main event WrestleMania, and now here we are a second straight year, and it comes with this mega match against Roman Reigns, KO.
You know, especially considering the history with, even though Paul Heyman's.
Il a encore changé de tenue.
Chaque segment, il enlève le t-shirt, il met ce qu'il.
Il y a combien de t-shirts comme ça?
Je sais rien, mais il a beaucoup visible.
Kevin, donne-moi ce truc, j'en ai acheté un.
Surtout toujours les mêmes styles.
Ah, désolé, mais petite news, Ricky Sosa va participer au prochain enregistrement des codes de TNA.
Ah, stylé.
Ça vient de tomber. Ça vient de tomber. TNA, pas cool.
Bang bang, Sosa Sosa.
Does Drew McIntyre have a 750-pound squat in competition?
It's the first thing I saw. Legs, Drew McIntyre.
He's got great legs. He's got great legs. That's
That
not to
just
take
hurt my hand.
You did. Not to take anything away from Drew.
Vide.
Brock Lesnar, NCAA
Très-
champion,
Ouais.
UFC champion, grappling
Je trouve Nathan Fraser.
And if you watch Nathan
Ouais.
Frazier in the ring, that man is as fast as they come.
Now, as for the perfect rating, we've been telling you about the greatest of all time. In the history of the game, there have only been 2 100s given out. Gold-plated AJ Styles was one of them. Supercharged Roman Reigns was the other. And now we have a 100 here on 2K26. NKO. It is Super Cena getting a 100, Kevin.
So I know what Super Cena means. It was a certain
C'est
level
sûr,
that John
c'est
would
sûr.
hit at
Comme
some
chaque année.
points in his matches.
Donc voilà, le
So,
catcheur
you
le
know, it's
plus,
easy to refer to Super
le
Cena
mieux
as
noté
something that would
est
get
John
100.
Cena, super,
Gold-plated
c'est le
AJ
super
Styles
Cena.
and supercharged Roman Reigns, I'm not too familiar with. Those are just made up things. But Super Cena was like a thing in WWE that we could see happen before our very
Est-ce qu'ils vont nous
eyes.
mettre
So,
encore des persos genre le gars dans la bouteille, la poupée Lily, des aliens, toutes ces conneries hein.
Ça va voir, hein.
When Cena's at his best,
C'est drôle.
it's kick out after kick out. Doesn't matter what bombs you drop on him.
Just won't stop.
Yeah,
Keeps
it's
going
over
like
for
this.
you. He can't
So
help himself.
annoying, yeah.
Guys, this has been a blast to do this with you. The ratings revealed for 2K26. A little bit of an emotional roller coaster ride with opinion, Kevin.
I don't even have cards. Oh, I do.
Yeah, you want some more?
I had a couple left here.
Going everywhere. Hey, what's your final takeaway, Big E?
Look, this game is going to be a blast. I can't wait to play with Javon Evans, Sol Ruka, so many new competitors on the main roster. I'm excited to play with.
What a blast revealing the ratings. WWE 2K26 available March 13th, but you can play starting on March
Eh ben,
6th with
on arrive à la fin.
access with the King of Kings.
Bon, c'était pas mal. N'hésitez pas à nous dire dans l'espace commentaire ce que vous en avez pensé. Voilà, des notes, au son, vous l'avez vu en direct, hein, on a des réactions plus ou moins comme ci, comme ça. Donc, on espère que cette petite vidéo vous aura plu. Et on se retrouve, bah écoutez, oula, stop, on va arrêter ça tout de suite.
Oula, on s'est trompé mon cher.
Voilà. Et on se retrouve très bientôt pour des prochaines vidéos, toujours évidemment en compagnie de Monsieur Viper. Prenez soin de vous et à bientôt. Ciao, ciao, salut.
Salut.